live.
Well, there is our Alberta Clipper system right here in Iowa. And you look at this and you say, well, it's moving southeast, but there's not much happening here. And a lot of the snow is kind of north of us. And indeed, the heaviest snow will be north of us in this band here. But what will happen is as the low kind of pivots towards our area, some of this snow gets in here, and then this snow back here kind of pivots in behind it. So even though it looks like, well, this just zips through and this is all we get, there's just not much happening, everything kind of pivots this way and then that way. So we will get the snow showers in here. They start to come in tonight, may even mix with a little sleet or a few raindrops in our southwest counties. The wind picks up too from the northwest, 33 Petersburg, but 29 for a low at Monticello. Tomorrow, the snow showers in the morning. Again, watch for some accumulation. Again, the chemicals work well in these temperatures, but there still will be some slick areas on roadways, especially bridges and overpasses, and then just still a few lingering snow showers with the sun poking in and out during the afternoon. But it gets up to 34. In fact, by noon it's 34. So we'll get the melting in here, but it's going to be a windy day. Even though we warm to 34, wind chills will be low because of the strong winds gusting 30 to 40. Wind chills 19 to 24 during the day. Saturday's a colder day. There could be a few flurries and snow showers morning, right through midday, maybe early afternoon. Otherwise, the winds relax a little bit, but still a high of only 28 and highs of only 26 to 30 will do it. Note those wind chills in the morning, single digits to low teens, and they're still going to be in the teens to about 20, even with lighter winds during the afternoon. Watch the clock here. Here is 8:30 this evening, and then finally, here comes the precip. This is after midnight. So we're talking like 3, 4, 5 in the morning. This is actually 7:30 where I've got this stopped. And you can see the snow at that point right in this zone here. So this is kind of moving this way, and then it's kind of wrapping in from the northwest too. Down here in the far south, a little sleet and a couple of drops of rain may mix in. And you see the snow showers all kind of pivoting in as the center of our clipper zips to the southeast. This is around noon tomorrow, and then in the afternoon we get some clearing. Still a few snow showers and flurries, and still some even tomorrow night, especially closer to Lake Michigan due to some lake effect. This is 12:30 tomorrow night. Saturday morning, a few flakes around here and there. That's the same thing right through noon on Saturday, and then eventually this diminishes, and then the pattern starts to change. We get the big warm up beginning around Christmas time. So 1 to 2 inches of snow, most of this falling late tonight, tomorrow morning. Logansport, Peru, Royal Center, 12 Mile, up through Winnemac, Kewanna, Rochester, Athens, and then up to DeMont. The rest of the area, it is 1 inch or less of accumulation. That includes Rossville and Burlington and Chalmers, up to Remington, Kentland, Greater Lafayette, Attica, and down towards Ladoga and Covington. So once this little clipper zips out and we're colder Saturday, then things change. We start to get showers and drizzle in here Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, with a warming trend as a warm front moves northward, and then showers, even a few thunderstorms come in a couple of days after Christmas. And look at this, the severe weather risk going up. If you have travel plans, we've got marginal to slight risk parameters for severe weather. This is getting into next week, a couple of days after Christmas. This could be severe weather, maybe a slight risk here. The marginal risk getting up to far southwest Indiana. And look at that. Some of the marginal risk parameters do get into our area Friday night and next Saturday. So we'll keep an eye on that. Again, that's after Christmas, but near record warmth and thunder and some lightning can't be ruled out here. And the rain's going to add up. When we take December 23rd right through about December the 30th, that 7-day period, anywhere from just under 2 inches to more than 3 inches of rain area-wide. So this is going to be a big rain producing scenario for us. So the rivers and streams will be on the way up, and yes, indeed, some thunder and lightning too, just after Christmas. 40 Monday, 43 on Tuesday, gets wetter, and we warm up Wednesday and Thursday. Look at that, Christmas Day, 53, 59 Thursday, near record warmth next Friday and a part of next Saturday, and then it gets a little cooler after